In this video, you will learn how to create this water drop effect in CorelDraw. Alright, let's get started. To create the water drop effect, we need an ellipse. From here, I'm going to bring an ellipse. Make sure you hold your control key so it's going to give you a perfect circle. Let me apply a color on it. Right now we need a drop shadow. I'm gonna give it a shadow. I drag it down. Let me increase it to 75. I increase the shadow to 75. Okay. What I need to do now is that I need to break the shadow apart from the object. When you are done, you click on your object, you select your shadow, you trim it, you click on trim to trim it. I loosen it. Right now I need to duplicate this one. First of all, let me remove the fill color. I need to duplicate it. Alright, click on it. I have to power clip it inside. I power clip it inside this container. So make sure that it's aligned. When you are done, you bring another one down, you duplicate it. You select this one and the one at the back, you trim it. You delete this one, we don't need it. Right now we need to copy the shadow color. To copy the shadow color, you use an eyedropper tool. When you're done, you power clip it inside here. Okay, now we need to copy this color here. We're going to delete this. I don't need it anymore. I'm deleting it. I don't need it anymore. Let me convert it to bitmap. Now, right now I'm going to give it a blur effect. It is too much. I think it's okay like this. Let me expand it a bit. Let me bring it up. Okay. Right now, I have to remove the black outline. I need another ellipse. But right now I'll make it an oval. I'll give it an oval shape. I right click on it, I convert it to curve. You have to convert it to curve with the help of full shape tool. I'll bring it upward. Let me expand it and bring it up here. Okay, I'm going to give it a white fill color. Okay, now I need a transparency tool. I'm going to give it a transparent effect. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Okay, I need another ellipse. I have to draw it over here. I'll give it a white color. I remove the outline. Right now I have to give it a transparent effect, but it's going to be a uniform transparency. Let me make it 60. Okay, this is perfect. I need another ellipse, which is going to be the last one. We are almost done. I'm going to give it a white color. I remove the outline. Okay, let me convert it to bitmap. Okay, I have to give it a blur effect. It's too much. I think it's okay like this. Okay, it's good like this. Have you seen how lovely it looks? Very perfect. Right now, let me group it and bring it over here. Let me copy it. Let me copy it. Let me copy it over here. Let me copy it over here. Alright. The next thing I do is that I need to come over to this side. Okay, I think we're almost done. Okay, have you seen it? This is how to create a water drop effect in CorelDraw. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, click the subscribe button. See you soon.